Why would she say that? Does she think she's your sister or what? No, she should stop that nonsense. What kind of nonsense is that?
Brother, at least now you know what I have been passing through in this house.
No. That's too big now. I can't take that shit, man. I can't take that shit.
Do you know what beats my imagination? I still can't believe I'm the one keeping the scar.
I don't understand. Eh? If I'm you of all people.
Look at them. Lazy, foolish men.
Excuse me?
Excuse your mother in her grave.
Yes! Oh, this is you. So you've been hiding your character, waiting to display it after you have succeeded in making them chase away? Ifeanyi, this woman is a chameleon.
It's your mother that is a chameleon. No, wait for me. Just wait for me here. Let me show you chameleon.
Ifeanyi, allow me to slap this girl. What is happening? Ifeanyi, this is not you now. What is happening?
I've asked you not to. Don't worry. I'll handle it.
Who is this girl? I don't understand.
I will handle it. Just relax.
Huh?
Yeah, but you are still here.
Hey!
You are still here. You are still here. You are still here. No, stay. You are still here. You don't want to go. You don't want to go. Come here. Come back. Oh yeah, let me get with the listen. Come back.
Listen. Ifeanyi, just look at me. What's it? Ifeanyi, look at me. Just look at me. Look at me.
Blessed is he that is wed.
God don't shame your enemies. If a follow agarozikwa. Ijua. So you find like this year.
Oh my God. Welcome home. Thank you. I have to say you look beautiful once again.
I do? Thank you.
Yes.
My goodness. Ego, right?
Yes, she is.
What a transformational change.
Thank you, Chief.
My goodness. Wow. It calls for a celebration.
Yeah. Can you turn around for Chief to see? Celebration?
Oh yes, transformational celebration.
Okay.
My goodness. This is wonderful.
Thanks to you.
God don't shame your enemies. If a follow agarozikwa. Ijua. So you find like this year. You're so beautiful. God have wiped your tears. So you find like this year. You're so beautiful. God have wiped your tears. No more sorry again. The table has turned. Your God have remembered you. What the wanka. Good things no they come late at all. No matter the time, it must come. Gina chiki de nama.
Ego, very wonderful cook. This chicken pepper soup is as tasty as always.
Thank you.
And I'm so opportune to have a taste of this long talked about chicken pepper soup. Oh my God.
And what do you say about the aroma and the taste?
This pepper soup is nothing less from what I've heard about your chicken pepper soup. You're such a wonderful cook.
I told you.
Thank you. Thank you, Akudo. Thank you.
Ego, you shouldn't be thanking us. As a matter of fact, it's our duty to be thanking you. Right? Please for accepting to come with us. I know by now you must be missing your husband.
No, I don't. Funny enough, I don't know why. I don't.
But why?
Like you said, I don't know why. Well, maybe because I feel at peace. You know, I have never had this peace of mind for a very long time. In fact, I wish I have been here all this while.
Boy, it's not late.
Enjoy your money.
If you want more, I can add for you. I'll say go will give you money if you want more.
Chief, this cloth are just too much. I mean, all this for me, these are too much. Help me thank Chief, please.
You haven't seen anything yet. It's just the beginning. You are now my Bugatti.
Your Bugatti, and what's that?
Actually, Bugatti is a brand of an Italian car that is very, very expensive. Very expensive.
Oh, okay, I see. And why is he calling me that?
Because I want you to marry me.
Yes.
What?
Yes, Ego. Please, will you marry my father? Chifume?
Akudo, let me object at this point. You see, right now I'm a young man, so address me as Ume for emphasis here.
Okay, please pardon me.
Dad.
Let's do it again. Ego, please, will you marry my father?
I still object. You see, age is just numbers. So, I'm a young man now. You can see it in me. So, why not Umez? That will be fine.
Okay. Ego, please, will you marry Umez? No, you don't have to say no, okay? I don't even need you to stress yourself because I already know you like my father a lot and you wouldn't want to say no.
And honestly, Dad is seriously interested.
And he's capable and able to take care of you, you know. You can say that already.
Ready to do anything.
Come here, you're welcome to the family already. Come.
Honestly, from the look of things, I'm sure my dad is madly in love with you.
Yeah.
And trust me, he's going to do anything, everything to make you happy.
You look very beautiful.
Right.
Wow, I can't believe my eyes.
I can't believe it myself.
I love this your hair.
Cynthia, please, please, can you help me check the yam on the fire? I want to make my yam.
Eh? As what? Do I look like your maid? Hi! That chief stole you from your ex-husband's house and now wants to marry you. That doesn't make me your maid. Do you understand? Come back here. How dare you? Udwa, please, Udwa, please don't do this. Let me deal with this girl. I don't want trouble, please. Please, it's okay. Leave her, just leave her, just leave her. Next, please, please, please.
Next time, mind the way you talk to people.
It's fine, please. It's okay.
Where is everybody? Or did my children go out with Ego?
No, Chief. Mr. Andy and Auntie Akudo went out together. Why Ego went to see that her prostitute friend?
Listen, I know you don't like Ego. But one thing that will have you thrown out of this house is for you to lie against someone. I'm well understood.
Chief, I also know that you don't like me. But one thing you don't know is that Ego has been pretending. I overheard her conversation yesterday with that her prostitute friend. She plans to kill you and take away everything that belongs to you.
How dare you? How dare you?
Hey, Chief. There's no point attacking her. I guess our cup is full. Here.
What is this?
Well, that is a flash drive containing a secret conversation with her boyfriend, Buchi.
What?
How did you come by it?
Well, Rufus recorded a conversation she had with her boyfriend on his phone. He gave it to me the day you sent him to get me a gift.
The gift that Ifeanyi reigned?
Yes, Chief.
But wait, why are you just bringing this out? Why did you allow Rufus and Dede suffer for what they don't know about?
That's because I couldn't give it to Chief. I don't know what the content of the flash drive is. Besides, I'm explicit. I just found it this afternoon and I listened to it.
So what is the content?
I don't know. Let her speak for herself. What is the content?
So you plan to kill my household and I, and abscond with our possessions?
Chief, please. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. It's the handwork of the devil. I've always known that this girl is evil. I told you, right?
Yes, you did.
To think that I believed whoever she paid to call me to lie against Dede and Rufus. And the details the fellow gave were so accurate.
Dad, what do you expect from this good for nothing of a girl? Obviously, she's a hardened criminal. Can't you see it in her?
Chief, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It will never happen again, please.
Now go into your room. Pack everything that belonged to you and leave my house immediately.
Chief, leave!
I'll never come back to this house again.
Leave! Criminal!
Imagine.
Daddy,
Unbelievable.
Listen, hasten up. Pick whatever thing you can lay your hands on. I will meet you at the bridgehead ASAP.
It's a lie. It's a lie. He will meet you in the police station. Officer, arrest her. Arrest her! Woman, move. Move now. Move.
Beware of friends you keep, cause some friendly friends, they are everywhere. Beware of people around you, cause they will kill you without a trace. So be warned, cause says teaching time saves 9. Apo kini ko mere giranu yaka, kini ko mere rapunu ya. What did she did to you? Leave her, woman bitter.
Don't move. Excuse me? I don't understand. What's the meaning of this?
You that I trusted so much. Take a pig to the city. Clothe a pig. Give it shelter. Feed a pig. It remains a pig. That's what you are, a pig. Officers, take this thing out of here.
Move it, Mr. Man. Move it.
I'm not going anywhere, please.
Keep bragging. I say move it.
I didn't do anything.
Move it. What?
I'm not going with you guys.
You lie. Brag till tomorrow. Mr. Man, move it. Move it. This way. Move it. Move.
I don't understand. What
move it.
Easy now.
This is what? Get into that car.
Life is good. You see life? Ndo atoka. What I saw today, I didn't believe my eyes. No wonder. One of our musicians said, nobody ugly. Now I have seen the reason why he said nobody's ugly. Now I know why he said so. Mma, if you see Ego now, Ego is totally changed, transformed and rejuvenated. You see that her fair color? Now the thing don't come out well. Ego is looking clean, rich, expensive and classy. Courtesy of who? Chief. Ne, Ego Amaka. Ego. I didn't even believe it myself when I first saw her. Ne, but the voice was still the Ego I know. Totally changed. Ego now wears designer. All these fine designers from Abba. Beautiful designers. I'm telling you, I didn't believe my eyes. Ego Amaka. Ego Amaka. Money is too good.
So you mean Ego wears designers?
If he needs to see Ego, same girl, same woman he beats anyhow, he disrespects. He needs to see her. I'm sure he won't believe this is. You see, let every man respect his wife. Else, if another richer person picks her, I'll make give him nine. Okay, me fine. That's my wife, Vita. Okay, me have him nine.
Oh, okay. But my husband is like, I will also go so that, you know.
Go to me.
I was just joking.
Go to Chief.
I was just
joking.
So tell me, was this the only reason he sent for me?
Hi. Very inquisitive. This whole story I told you now, isn't this story enough for him to send for me?
No, no. Just tell me what he sent for you.
Let me tell where the Akio Ibo is, like our people would say. You remember what happened now? You know, Chief arrested I and Rufus, my cousin, suspecting that my cousin was stealing his money to come and give me, maybe to hold. Thank God at the end of the day we are vindicated. And he realized we were just incarcerated for nothing. We didn't do anything. The police just punished us like that. At the end of the day, he now... he was just apologizing and said he was sorry. Imano, sorry.
Yeah. He just said sorry. Just sorry.
Is there anything you're expecting him to say? Say your mind. What thing you want here? Okay, let me break it down. You see, this is your shop. Be coming down. I hope you went to school.
Let me see.
You can read that, right?
Of course.
I feel good. I know
1 million naira.
You see this your shop? See this your shop? Just
Somebody gave me 1 million naira.
Compensation for the incarceration. For the brushing, locking me in the station. I can't remember the last time you heard me like this, so you're gonna wine go. You know what?
What did she do to you? Lift her. Lift her alone. What did she do to you? Lift her. all your strength on her. Why all your strength is on her? Joblessness, BUGATTI. Jealousy, never give first. I'm not getting away from my job. It's written all over you. Why are you like this? Can't you change? Rap on one year. Apo Viniko Mereki Ramiyaka. Viniko Mere Rapunuya. What did she did to you? Leave her, woman bitter. Leave her alone.
It's not what you think, no.
Get a chicken in the number.
You know, I've always wanted the best for you. Even when my son was being stupid. Indeed, you have found a good marriage. I missed it a long time ago, and I wouldn't want you to miss it now.
No, Mama, I won't miss it. In fact, I already said yes.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You miss what? What are both of you talking about?
I told her. I told her about us.
You did?
Yes, she did.
Well, Chief, thank you for everything. Thank you for transforming her.
Well, you don't need to thank me. God deserves more than that.
And thank you for the gift. Thank you.
It's nothing. She is my BUGATTI. You mentioned.
Ego. Ego.
Mama, my husband and I will be leaving now.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
We'll see more of you later. Love you so much.
I'm your BUGATTI.
Yeah. Let's go.
Ego. Ego. Ego.
My friend.
Mama. Ego.
Ego.
She was kissing him.
Eh?
She kissed him.
Eh?
Ego was kissing him.
Eh? Now, move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it. Move it.
God have wiped your tears.
Where do kiss in there, you? Have you seen how your whole life has crumbled? I'm ashamed of you.
Chief is just nothing short of a man God kept for Ego.
I'm telling you.
May God bless them.
And bless their home. Oh.
Amen.
And bless their home, oh, amen, no.
Yes, so.
And bless their home, amen, no.
Amen.
Huh? Okay. You think I won't get my wife back? If Chief thinks that he has succeeded in claiming my wife, you see it's a lie.
Don't even try that. Don't even try that at all. If you go there, you will lose with your legs up.
Oh.
It's now you know she's your wife. You want to go and bring back your wife? It's now you know she's your wife. Mama Biko, let me go and see my husband. You want to go and get your wife? Go now.
Mom, go.
It's now you know
greet your husband. People do not appreciate what they have until they lose it. Ifugoni.
Life. What's a life? Ego. My love. My pride. My everything. How could you leave me? Why? You've left me. My mother, my sister, everyone has deserted me. Buchi, look at what you have done to me. Buchi, it will never be well with you. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish life.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
What is the problem?
What is your problem?
Why are you blocking my way?
Why am I blocking your way? Why are you with my wife?
Can you leave my way?
What is wrong with you? What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Baby, come back home.
Come back to which show?
Baby.
What is this? Leave the way now.
Baby, you have to leave these people.
If I please leave the way, what nonsense is this?
Baby,
Leave the way.
Baby, you have to come back home.
Please get out of the way.
No, I'm not leaving you.
If I get out of the way.
Hey, old man, you old man. Old man.
What's your problem?
What's your own problem? Give me back my wife.
Who is your wife?
Baby.
I am not your wife. I am not your wife. Leave the way. Get out of the way.
Baby.
You want to die on the road on me? So people will say I killed you.
Thank you. Kill me. Can you kill me?
Now listen. Do you want money?
I don't need money. Give me back my wife.
Then get out of my way.
I am not your wife. Leave the way, Chief, please. Let's go. Leave this idiot. Leave the way. Get out of the way.
Don't block my way again. You want to
die? You want to die?
I'll kill you now.
Kill me.
Stand on my way.
Kill me.
Just stand there.
Look at this idiot. Kill me. Let me see. Move. Let me see you. Move. Come on. Move. Let me see you. Baby. Hey. Oh. Give me my wife. Give me my wife. Give me my wife. Give me my wife.
This was how it was when you sent your wife out of your house. I tried to make you see reason, but you wouldn't listen to me. Now I've been getting complaints that you have been going to Chief and Ego, trying to make trouble. I know the reason he has not arrested you is because he respects me. Stay away from them. Stay away from them, Ifeanyi Chukwu.
Mama, it's not possible. It's not possible.
Okay.
So someone will just come from anywhere, from nowhere, because he's a chief, then he will take what belongs to me. It won't happen.
What belongs to you?
Yes, here you go.
The only thing that belongs to you is that prostitute you brought into this house. Yes! She is the only thing that belonged to you. Now she has started cheating on you in her complaint. Stay away from them, oh. I've been warning you. Stay away from them.
Mama, I need you to understand one thing. Ego is my wife. Huh? Nobody will take her from me. Nobody.
Which wife? The same Ego you stood in the presence of the elders and chose that idiot over her. Eh? Now she's cheating on you. You are complaining. Let them be, oh. Chief will arrest you, oh.
Mama, you're going to bring Ego back, oh.
Onye?
You're going to bring Ego back. Mama, are you not my mother? Huh? Isn't it your duty to reconcile us? I mean, when we're quarreling, you bring us together, you talk. Am I not your son? Is she not your daughter-in-law? It's your duty to make sure that we quarrel and settle. In your presence, they gave my ego out to another person, and you're here saying another thing. Go and get me my ego. Okay. Okay. Test of love.
Test of which love?
Test of love.
Omego Nunu. Omego. Stay away from
Mama,
Chief.
you're getting back my ego.
Eh?
You will bring her to this house.
Eh?
You will bring her back to this house.
God don't shame your enemies.
It is good we all are here to draw the curtain on a matter that has lingered. And on that note, I want to ask. Hence, I will not waste so much time on anything. Ifeanyi, what is your ground on this matter?
Elders, I greet you. I was upset. I want to say.
Fine. As a monkey, go quarry. Monkey with speed, go for saying you are upset. Please go straight to the point. We are not here for temperance evaluation, please.
I want my wife back.
Good. We have had you. However, there is only one person that can bring a closure to this matter. Ego. She shall have an opportunity to choose between you, Ifeanyi, and Chief Ume. If at the end of the day, she chooses to go back to you, Ifeanyi, you will have to make refund of all, I mean all, that is spent on Ego.
Thank you, John. I'm willing. I'm ready to pay for it. Shut up.
Good. But if at the end of the day, she chooses to go back to Chief Ume, Ifeanyi, you have to take it easy and accept it in good faith. So, Ego, it's now up to you.
Thank you, my elders. My elders, there's a saying that you don't live life backward.
Oh, yes.
You live life forward. Going back to Ifeanyi is like living life backward. I won't do it. Mameya, it won't happen. I'm moving forward. Now, talking about him repaying Chief, look at him. Does he have the money? No, he doesn't have anything. He doesn't have a dime on him. He hasn't even fed himself very well. How can he pay him? Can he even repay him? He can't do it. Take care of your life. Eh? I'm going back with Chief. I love him. We love ourselves. We are good together. I'm his Bugatti. beg to take my leave. Mama, please.
Don't touch her. Don't touch me. Don't. You want to touch Flinger? Flinger.
Let me fling.
Uncle.
Flinging.
Don't touch me. Let me fling with my husband. Don't touch me. My Bugatti.
Well, young man, when you see gold hidden in the mud, try and recognize and pick it up. See you.
That's to say, value what you have.
That's your home.
Go.
See you.
Can't call her.
Uncle.
We were warning him.
My friend, sit down. We have been telling you this town with that number.
God, you're so beautiful. God have wiped your tears, so you fine like this year. Maboko Dala, you're so beautiful. God have wiped your tears. No more sorry again. The table has turned. Your God have remembered you. What do you want? Good things, no they come late at all. No matter the time, it must come. In a chicken, in a man. God have wiped your tears. God have wiped your tears away. God have wiped your tears away. God have wiped your tears.